So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to have double line spacing on the Google Docs mobile application. So if I just were to go ahead and just type in the word double space right here, I will then go ahead and just copy and paste it so it's the same thing a few times and just show you guys what the current line spacing is. So as you can tell, it is a decent amount, but it's not double line spacing, so maybe your paper requires double line spacing. Super easy. Go ahead and highlight the entire thing, then use this middle bar, go to the far right, press the A and the line beneath it. Then make sure that paragraph is selected. So if text is selected, press paragraph, and at the bottom where it says line spacing, you want to press the up arrow to where it says 2, which is also known as double line spacing. So you just go ahead, press the check mark right there, and now you have double line spacing in your document. So that is how you guys can have double line spacing or 2.0 line spacing on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.